up, everyone? Kim and Jason here. Just popping in to say Happy New Year. We hope you had a wonderful 2023, and we hope nothing but the best for you in 2024. Not only is it a new year, but it's also that time of year where we can't boat as much as we really like to. Seriously, when I tell you we're on the water every weekend that the weather permits, I'm not kidding. But in the wintertime, there tends to be more chop. Could be raining, it could be super cold, it could be all of the above, and just in general, kind of miserable or not safe. So it takes a lot more to get me out there. But today, I got to tell you, today was not one of those days. The weather was looking promising, and we had to get out there. And it turned out to be a really beautiful day. We threw the drone up, had a few beers, listened to some music, anchored there, enjoyed the weather. Jackson paddled around in his paddleboard, and we just enjoyed a really beautiful day. And of course, yes, I did take a nap, as I tend to do. Today really got us thinking about how fortunate we are to live in Florida. At least we think we're fortunate. I know, it's not everyone's cup of tea, but we love it here. We really feel lucky to be able to enjoy it in the way that we do, and have the means to do that. So at any rate, today we headed out to Egmont. Egmont is an island. It's one of a few parks that you can only get to by boat. So some of these parks are state parks, some are county parks, and some are just little islands that you can explore. The parks, they're going to have rules. Some of them you can have a fire, some you can not have a fire, some you can bring your pet, some you can camp, some you cannot do any of those things. At any rate, Egmont is a state park, more of a day trip. You're not going to be able to, camp or bring your pet or have a fire. But it is still super cool. It's a really cool little island. It used to be the home of a small town and a military base. So there's some old ruins of that town and the military barracks. There's also a lighthouse, an old lighthouse. It's decommissioned, but it's still super cool. There's the park ranger's house. He does live there. There's an old cemetery. And probably one of the coolest things is it is home to a bunch of tortoises. I'm not sure the difference between a turtle and a tortoise, but anyway, there's a bunch of turtles there. They are protected. It's really quite fun when you spot them. They're just kind of doing their turtle thing, eating and crawling around. It's always super fun for us because Jason and Jackson are turtle lovers. So if you'd like more Egmont videos, we'll be sure to get out there and get more footage of exploring that island and saying hello to the turtles. So after hanging out at Egmont for a bit, we decided we had worked up an appetite. The ramp where we launch, or at least like one of our favorite ramps, is super close to downtown St. Pete. And downtown St. Pete has public docks. So we headed to the St. Pete Pier, threw a lineup, docked, and went to one of our most favorite restaurants of all time, Park Shore. And it was delicious as per usual. Not sponsored, but Chef Tyson, if you're listening, we can be bought. Anyway, this is most of the boating we do in the wintertime. We like to call it a dock and dine. Since we're not getting in our suits, hanging out in the water, grilling up food, we're doing our next favorite thing, which is to eat. So yeah, we have a new video series coming at you this winter, the Dock and Dine series, where we review waterside restaurants. We don't want to just review the food, okay? We want to review the docking, the boat traffic, where it's located. Is there other entertainment nearby, like a wharf or a downtown? You get the idea. Just to give you a little quick example, we went to this restaurant where the dock was like fixed. It wasn't a floating dock, and it was low tide. So we literally had to scale the side of this dock. I'm rolling around on my stomach trying to get up onto the dock, and it's covered in pelican poop. Now, had we known that about this place and that it was kind of bar food, we probably wouldn't have gone there. So hopefully this series either helps you out, or you just enjoy watching it and enjoy going on our adventures with us. Anyway, you get the idea. We're super excited because it combines two of our favorite things, boating and eating. You guessed it. So anyway, that's coming your way this winter. We do hope you'll join us. And again, we hope you have a wonderful and prosperous new year.